What's up, my dear Photoshop magicians? How's... Oh no. He's coming. No!
The super hungry monster artwork.
I created him recently, but then he came alive and now he's hunting me. Hide!
Okay, I think you are safe. And today you will learn how to create this artwork step by step.
Maybe I should record from this side. I kinda feel like this is not my shit! So, this all started with an image. So I went online and just typed in eyes. I didn't search for hungry, I didn't search for vegan, I didn't search for creepy. I searched for eyes. And instead of showing me some pictures of cute girls with beautiful eyes, the son of a website decided to show me the creepiest image they had. Of course I took it. So I imported the image, made it bigger so we can actually see his beautiful face closer. Went to filter and camera raw filter. And this one of course we just always use to change the colors, shadows and other stuff. You know, and I always show you what exactly I do in Photoshop, but I never tell you why I change the specific colors. And for that reason, welcome to the show. What the freak is wrong with that image with Detective Fred? So first of all, if you look at this image, we can see that the skin is too bright, and for that reason I decreased contrast so I don't get too harsh white and too harsh black colors. I made highlights less so the face is less bright, and also whites less so again the face is less bright. And as you can see right now, the face looks just much better. You can actually see some original skin colors. And also the skin on his face is too smooth. And it needs to be more detailed so we can see the texture, we can see all the weird stuff that he has on his skin, because that is real life and that makes it more realistic. We also decreased texture, and as you can see now, we can see the skin much better. And also increased the haze, and this helped us to make the colors really pop. For example, before the haze, after the haze. Big difference, people! Yeah, and also just made the vibrance more. And now the red is really red. So just make sure to have the same numbers like I have here. And now we go to the holy grail of colors, to HSL adjustments. I mean, it already looks nice, but I would add some magic. So remember that image, and now bam! You see a giant motherfucking difference. Reds are now more purple. His skin color is also more pink, which makes it just magical. But of course, I mean, you can, adjust the colors depending on what you like. Personally, I like this, and you should like this too, because if you don't, then I will delete you from internet. And click that sweet OK button. So next step is to think where we want to put the teeth. And if you think logically, eyes are the only place, it's the only hole in your head base. I mean, it's not a hole, we have eyes there, but we cannot put the teeth inside our nose. So anyway, so let's select this image, let's go and click this beautiful icon to create a mask. Bam! Select our brush tool and black color and start slowly deleting the eyes. Yeah, and don't forget to turn off the background. So okay, I don't have time to watch all of this, so let's just fast forward. Bim! Done! Next step is to find the perfect image of teeth. And if you wonder why I'm holding an umbrella, I have seen in Kung Fu movies they use umbrella to fight. Smart, huh? So I just went online and searched teeth. Okay, what is that? Does this look like teeth to you? No, seriously, please give me normal teeth. Come on, guys, come. Wow. Okay, Rodolfo, you have a very creepy mind, says a guy who created this artwork. So anyway, after searching for 100 years, I found this image. So I'll just import it, create a mask for this image as well, boom, and just delete everything. Everything. Careful, don't f this up. Okay, I f***ed up. Does the selection look to you as only teeth? Now it's finally time to place it behind the head. That asshole ate my umbrella! He ate my umbrella! Teeth are the main thing in the artwork, and we need to make sure that they are visible, and for that reason we need to make the eyes really big. So guys, one more time, let's go to filter, then let's go to liquify. No, what are you doing? Liquify! Yeah, choose this face icon. Now just bim bam, click and drag. Come on, why are you not getting bigger? What else I need to do? Bigger, yeah, bigger, even bigger. bigger. Yeah, done. Okay, click that OK button. Because we made the eyes bigger, now we need to delete some of them as well. Okay, let's just copy this and put it here. You can just hold Alt or Option and then click on this layer and then click and drag. Ba-bam! Look at that, how beautiful. Guys, I think I still love my monster artwork. So now, the problem is that they don't really match the color of the skin. And for that reason, let's go to adjustment layers and let's choose here color balance. Just put the same numbers I have. Now we made them more red and they are now more pink. So, in order to continue, you need to answer a very simple question. What is the thing that follows you your whole life and will follow you till your death? I give you 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Okay, the time is up. No, it's not FBI, and no, it's not that stupid monster that wants to eat me. It's your shadow. And shadow is exactly what we need in order to make our artwork more realistic. So let's go here, click that beautiful button and create a new empty layer. Select your brush tool, black color, opacity 30, flow 10, and let's start rocking. Bum 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 bum. Okay, this music really doesn't match. So anyway, you just need to draw here, you know, on the T's, make it darker here. Does this look realistic to you? Does this look realistic enough for you? Yes? Okay, good. So now, next step is to make him cry. We'll make him run back to his mama. Let's go here, click right button and choose the curvature pen tool. And let's start destroying him. Yeah, create a new layer, bam bam. Also when you draw, make sure you have here shape selected, fill is wide and no stroke. And just click, click, click. Click. As you can see, automatic curvature line is created because we're using the curvature pen tool. Click, click, click. And finally guys, the time has come. We need to click here. We need to choose the arrow, go to fill and choose gradient. And now we need to choose the perfect color to make his cries colorful. And I will choose just the default Photoshop gradient for now, but we will change it later, don't worry. And now let's go and choose some blending modes because the cries have to blend with the skin. And which one are we gonna choose? Which one are we gonna choose? Oh, soft light, boom. Stop, 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 okay? Just make a pause. And I'm not talking about the stupid Kit Kat. I'm releasing a new class on my website where I will show you how to create this artwork. And I know I did already have a tutorial on this on YouTube, but I just showed it to you in a quick process. I didn't show it to you in details, but in this class you will actually see all the details. I will explain you why I did what I did. I will explain you what tools I use, where did I click, and everything you need to know in order to create this yourself. So just to get this class and many other standing classes, make sure to go to learnfromfred.com and start your free trial month. Let's go back. These cries need to be thicker. And now let's just go here, click double on this empty area, not here, but here, bam bam. Look what's gonna happen. Boom, we get this layer style. Choose bevel and emboss. And already we have here a thicker cries. Basically this helps us to add some shadow and highlights to the edges. So here just make sure to have the same parameters like I have. And now, as I promised, we go back to gradients and we need to change it to something else. And we're choosing this gradient. You can just create a gradient with 3 colors, orange, red and purple. And for that reason we again go here, we click ding ding double on this empty place here. We go to pattern overlay, choose this pattern. Okay, just make sure to have the same parameters like I have here. Now again hold Alt or Option, click on this and drag, and then release your mouse button and then release Alt or Option and the copy is created. And now we need to adjust this because this clearly doesn't look real. And for that we can just go here, click right button and choose the white mouse, not the black one, because there are two. If we click on the layer we can actually control the position of the points. And let's just speed up this and change the position of the points. Yeah, and by the way, also let's just select these points. Let's just click delete button and delete them forever. So as you can see now we have a small problem here. These are not connected. We don't see a line here. Oops, I think I broke something. Let's go again and choose our curvature pen tool. And let's click on one point and then boom, let's click on the other point. Good news guys, good news. We destroyed him. Oh yeah, oh yeah. And now there's just one more final touch. So I'm gonna use this texture here. I as an overlay. Unfortunately, I don't remember where I found this, so you can just search here texture and find some other textures that you can work with. For example, this one, and other stuff. Make it big, go to blending modes and choose the right blending mode. Yeah, not this one, definitely no. So I chose here overlay. As you can see, this made our image even look cooler, I would say, at least in my opinion. We kind of have here this really nice texture, and voila, my dear friends, we destroyed him. With that said, guys, me and my dear friend, you know him, right? You don't know him? What? That's it. Yeah, we are not friends anymore. We are divorcing, okay? Divorcing? Well, you get what I mean. Anyway, we'll go back to Narnia, and yeah, he's also from Narnia. Okay, so bye bye. One more thing, forgot to tell you. Yeah, now when you have created this artwork, it will actually hunt you. So, good luck.